There was a many big dreams. We promised to walk hand in hand. That man has changed today. You just could not change. The one who made such a big dream has gone small. I think there was nothing between the two. And today you wait the pillow crying in silent mode. But you know that much. The sound of your cries does not reach the ears. There is no point in crying for her. There is never a break in true love. What happens is a temporary break just to stop the anger. So the one who truly loves you will never leave you. If he left, he would never be yours. And you have to say, I don't care. Please move on. Today you may be sharing a lot of emotional videos without forgetting her. But do you know that she has moved away from your life and is very happy? If he can move away from your life and be happy, so why not you? Please move on and say, I don't care. Look, he had no oxygen in your life for which you cannot live. Well, tell me one thing. Were you unhappy when she was not in your life? Of course not, but you were very happy. So why are you so emotional when she leaves? Ask yourself. Your life is like a flower garden. Only one flower has fallen from that garden, because of which you cannot destroy your life. Listen, let's talk about some logic. You may be ruining your life by not forgetting her. Have you ever thought if you ever meet her, he will look at you and think that leaving you was the one of the best decision of his life? And if you can be established in your life, when she will meet with you, she will look at you and think that forgetting you was the biggest mistake of her life. So try to build your life and show her you can move on. That's all today. You can follow me and subscribe me for the next video.